Sino pa yan?
This time. Yes. Let me just what simplicity here. People, some technically is that showing the weight. Some people weight is much easier. Some stuff this car and this car. Weight and some magic therefore this is 5 times it's not sitting in there. And it's my set number. Next step, next sound. Oh. Rain. Okay, next. Next. I put some. Okay, the car is rolling. And it's the car. It's the car parking. I'm gonna hold it. The car parking. There. Okay. There's done. Okay. Next. And this says, there's a helipad beside of it. Sorry, my face is not seen. And this is the whole and this is the car. And there are two cars going. And I'm going to show you the parking. This is the parking. This is the car. I don't know. Just wait. No. Hindi siya sumagot. And let's close this. Let's open this side. And put the people inside here. There. Wait. Okay. And here's the set, the whole set. And we have one sound. Next, I'm gonna close again, but we will have a sound. It's so really cool. This set is really cool. And it's like okay. Next, they got some. There's an airplane helipad. And some people that put it in chair. If you cannot see it, I'm gonna move it for a while. Excuse me, please. Okay, move for a while. And the people is the case. The people is not seen because my table, okay. No, wait, it's not seen. The scene is okay. And this people is sitting on it. And next, okay. Next. Let's go back again here. So, we got this, I don't know what's called this. Maybe Out of all of these, I don't know. And this is the CC Easy. It has 4 cameras each. They are around 10. Okay. And you can also park in your car inside of it. And next, and this is the set. It's cheap when I buy this, okay? I don't say the price. I'm gonna have more sets, maybe. I'm gonna review my older one. Okay, this is only my new. This is only new, brand new. And they have also parking, and they have also like this. Okay, this set of the long and yes. And it's the parking. And thank you for okay. Here's some more. Some radio like a way. This is like an solar system because it's like this. So we can close this side. And here's some stairs. You cannot see the stairs that we go in the cam. There, this is the stairs. We need to put it beside of it. Wait, I'm wrong. Wait, guys. Stay there. Wait, there. Just wait for a while. And there's some apple. Oh. And maybe this. I hate this. The stairs. The stairs are good. This set is good. I rate for this set is 9.7. It's good. It's a really good set. It's good for gifts for your children, friends with children and more. And for boys only. I did not show you something. This one. This put in here also, but I did not put it. And here's some design. Here's some roads of the side of it. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Bye. See you at another set review again. Bye. Bye, guys. See you at other video.